and I will hand over this to the media friend also. So our main thing is that if we demand the Indian government should take a step to include Chittagong Hill Tracts in Indian territory. Our demand is that we want Chittagong Hill Tracts to be a part of India, like a state. Thank you, media friends. Again, my media friends. Today we are observing the Black Day for injustice of the Chakma and other people for partition of India. Why we observe Black Day on 17 August? Now I am explaining a note on it. Every year, 17 August has been observed as Black Day by the Chakma National Council of India in order to protest the illegal reward of 98.5% non-Muslim Chittagong Hill Tracts to erstwhile Pakistan during the partition in 1947. The decision was taken in first national conference of the Chakma National Council of India held on 24th and 25th March 2016 in Guwahati, Assam. Since then, the Black Day has been observed in various Chakma inhabited areas in India. And why we observe Black Day? Now, naturally, many may ask the question, who observed this Black Day? Why is 17th August marked as Black Day by the Indian Chakma community? It is necessary to set some description here on the subject to quench the curiosities of the public and awareness. We all know that 15 August 1947 was a joyous, glorious and everlasting day for all Indians to enjoy freedom of desired independence by breaking the shackles of British subjugation. But many of us do not know this is 15 August was an extremely anxious and dreamy day of indigenous communities of Chakma, Marma, Tripura, Muro, Bom, Pangkho, Kumi, Lusai, Khiang, Tongchongge and Chak of Chittagong Hill Tracts. Although the people of Chittagong Hill Tracts, led by undisputed leader Sneha Kumar Chakma, hosted tricolor Indian national flag in anticipation of independence. However, there was apprehension regarding the uncertainty of whether the Chittagong Hill Tracts region would be included in India or Pakistan. Before 2 more nights of such uncertainty could pass, it was officially announced on the radio on 17 August 1947 that the Chittagong Hill Tracts region had been rewarded to Pakistan. From the post-partition period to the present, the indigenous people of Chittagong Hill Tracts have never been able to gain the trust of those countries by calling them pro-Indian. As a result, the racially and religiously motivated incident of endless torture, killing, rapes, land grabbing, conversion, attending cleansing, looting, erosion, etc. are not routinely perpetrated on the indigenous communities in Chittagong Hill Tracts. On the other hand, the Chakma people who have lived in India for thousands of years have been endured expedite suffering in the homeland. If the Chittagong Hill Tracts had not been unjustly rewarded to erstwhile Pakistan during the partition in 1947, the people of Chakma
মানুষ যা ইয়ে করবেন আগে শর্টকাট ইয়ে করবেন ফটাফট কইতে থাকবেন মানে
Chittagong Hill Tracts in Assam. Sneha Kumar Chakma died student of his Hill Tracts repeatedly informed the commission and the Congress leader by using a memorandum for the verification of formation of the Bengal Boundary Commission. That after the event partition, Nehru once publicly admitted that moving Chittagong Hill Tracts district to Pakistan was a fatal mistake. If Nehru's remorse is true, then in this life, why did not he raise the issue internationally and did not arrange for remedy? Finally, based on the overall data, judicial analysis, it can be concluded that during country division, the future of the Chittagong Hill Tracts was considered by Indian leaders and British rulers at all. So there has been a historical mistake. If not now, can 98% Muslim Chittagong Hill Tracts be associated with the Muslim state of Pakistan? No one knows the history will be corrected or future. Yes, the present generation have declared the Black Day to redeem the mistake of the past leader. Maybe the nation will find strength from this charming. Thank you. Then let me once say again.